would request our principal ma'am to encourage us with her kind words.
My dear Mount Littrans, it is indeed a beautiful sight to witness your smiling faces as you get ready for the exciting journey. We, the team of Mount Littrans E-School, Ghaziabad, are thrilled as for days we planned this virtual tour for all of you. Wishing you all the best for the learning enhancement as we love to take you on board to the whole new world of adventure and thrills. Stay safe, stay connected.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Hey, now, are you all ready? I am so excited for Zooland, the virtual tour to the zoo. Children, I can't wait to get there. But before we leave from the school premises, let us check if we all are carrying all the essentials that we have recommended you. Let's check it out. Clothes, water bottle, hat, camera, toiletries and basic medicine, tickets and passports, sanitizers, masks, juices and snacks, comfortable sports shoes. Children, whenever we travel, we should travel light. Okay, children, now let's board the bus and let me do the head counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you all are present here. So let's all get ready. Take your seat and sit properly, facing forward at all times. Do not stand in the moving bus. Place your bags under your seat or on your lap. Do not throw anything inside or outside the bus. Keep your head, hands, and arms inside. So,
3, 2, 1, we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, ready to explore. First things first, I'ma say all the ones inside my head. I'm fine, I've been tired of the way that things have been. The way that things have been. Say your things, say your don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one and
we are about
the master of the
airport.
sea.
Here we are at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Let us all do the check-in formality and keep your visa and passport handy. So children, let's move towards International Departure Area. Are you excited? So let's go and hop on to a Zooland plane, which is here for us. Wow, it's so exciting to travel in a plane. So 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Now children, we are heading towards California. We are going to cover a distance of about 9,500 kilometers. And the time taken would be approximately 17 hours and 20 minutes. Children, we have something exciting for you. Let's see what it is. We have arranged your favorite cartoons. So let's Watch it. How did you like it, children? I hope you all enjoyed it. It was really good. Children, we have a long way to go. So let's sleep and take some rest so that we can get up fresh in the morning. So children, switch off your light and try to sleep. Good night, everyone. Sleep tight. Hey, sunshine. Morning time. Let's make this day awesome. We are about to reach our destination. Have patience. Now see, we are landing. We have reached San Francisco Airport. Let's head towards the hotel we have booked for us. Let's board the bus to a hotel, and after taking a bath and having delicious breakfast, we will go to San Diego Zoo with our guide Dora the Explorer. Here she is. I must tell you something about Dora. She's serving as a guide since 8 years. She loves to explore different places with her best friend Boots the monkey. She embarks upon numerous adventures in the wilderness with her friend Boots and a variety of fun and useful tools.
Hello, beautiful children. My name is Dora and meet my friend Birds. Birds, say hi to everyone. Hi. I hope you all had a smooth and pleasant journey. I am very excited to take
Gonna
you
get
to
to
the
the sing-along party
beautiful
and
world
use
of
our microphone to
animals.
invite all our friends. Let's go! Come on now, we're on our way to Benny's Barn for the sing-along today. As we walk on down the road.
So before we head towards our destination,
Let's go!
let me give a brief account of
We're on our
California.
way to Benny's Barn
California is a state of United States of America. It is the most populous US state. And let's hear some safety rules before reaching the zoo. And the first is do not tease the animals and treat them with respect. Do not feed the animals. Do not litter the place. Maintain a safe distance and be nice to everyone you meet. So children, today we are going to visit San Diego Zoo in California. The San Diego Zoo is a zoo in Balboa Park. So we have reached the zoo. Let's get going. Woohoo! See, so many amazing animals. Gorilla, elephant, chimpanzee, lion. Ooh, polar bear. Tortoise. So many amazing animals. White polar bear. So many colorful fishes. All these are water animals. Such a big fish. Flamingos. Our national bird. So it's time to see the exciting birds. It's time to see the exciting birds. That first is dark-eyed junco. These are small animals and they are gray in color. Now let's move to next bird. Next bird is Allen hummingbird. They are very small birds and they make their nest in forest. And children, you know what they eat? They eat spiders and they are very friendly birds. Now let's move to our next bird. Our next bird is, let's see, quail bird. So kids, quail is the national bird of California. You know, it is known as valley quail and it became the official state bird in 1931. Such a beautiful bird. Wow. And see, sir, wow, it's California scrub jay is blue and gray in color. And they eat insects, fruits, nuts, and berries too. So beautiful. So children, isn't it exciting to know about different and beautiful birds of California? Now let's, wow, see that Cooper hawk. Cooper hawk are not friendly birds. And you know children what they eat? They eat birds, reptiles and bats. Now let's search the map and find out where we can see land animals. So here we are. Our first land animal is, let's see. Ooh, that is grizzly bear. OMG, it's so scary. It is the national animal of California and it was designated official state animal in 1953. They are brown, black and gray in color. They are very powerful. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Listen their sounds. Wow, that's panda. Pandas are friendly creature. They love to eat bamboo. They spend a lot of their day eating. That's why they look like giants. And pandas are good at climbing trees. Ooh. Camels can travel as fast as horses. They can live without water for 7 months. And they are also known as sheep of the desert. Listen the sound of camel. Lion are the only cats that live in groups. And a lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers. And you know, kids, the lions are afraid of large animals like giraffe, elephants, and hippos. Roar. Now let's move. Koala. You know, San Diego Zoo has the largest koala colony. Koala likes to eat eucalyptus leaves all day long. These leaves are so toxic, which most animals cannot eat. Now let's move to our next animal, hippopotamus, are also called hippo. With their eyes, ears, nostrils on top of the head, hippos can hear, see and breathe while most of their body is underwater. They can live for 40 to 50 years. See that hippo is, wow, black and white Columbus monkey are old world monkeys. They live in forest and like to eat leaves and fruits. They do not have thumbs. See that baby monkey? How cute is that baby monkey? So children, isn't it exciting to know facts about different animals? I really had fun and enjoyed to get to know animals so closely. Now, aren't you all hungry and tired? So children, let's go and eat some delicious food. You can order your favorite food, and you know what is the famous food of America? It is cheeseburger. Yummy. Wow. Sandwiches. Amazing salads. Cupcakes. Wow. I'm going to finish all these cupcakes. And cookies. Wow, it's mouth-watering, isn't children? I would love to try these sumptuous food. Now, children, we will be going back to our hotels and rest. Tomorrow also we will have a tiring day as we have to visit Safari Park, which is 35 kilometers from our hotel. So let's get going. Good morning, little ones. I hope you all had a good sleep and today all are looking so fresh and exciting too. So, now let's board the bus. Where is our bus? Let's board it. There it is. Now we have reached Safari Park, so let me tell you in brief about Safari Park. It is one of the largest tourist attraction in San Diego. The park is visited by 2 million people annually. Houses more than 2,600 animals. The park has world's largest veterinary hospital. You know, children, doctors of animals are called veterinary. They provide treatments to animals when they are ill. When we are sick, where do we go? We go to doctor. So in the same way, when animals are sick or get hurt, their caretakers take them to veterinary hospital. So come on, children, get set and go. I'm so excited. Such a beautiful bird. Zebra, beautiful birds. Butterfly. See that beautiful butterfly sitting on his shoulder? So colorful. White butterfly. Lion, king of the jungle. Balloon safari, wow. I'm enjoying it so much. Are you all also enjoying? Wow, beautiful bird. Now let's see the cheetah running. It's running so fast. Wow. Jungle rock safari. They're enjoying so much. Zipline! I also want to do that. It was amazing experience. Caravan safari. Rhinoceros. See those rhinos? See, these people are feeding the giraffe. They are feeding the giraffe.
Wasn't it exciting, children? Well, let's see why these children are running towards the pond. Oh, see, lion show. Let's watch it.
जो आया बेटा
George Clay.
waiting for George Clooney. He didn't show up. What are we gonna do? Oh no, this is horrible. We need a guest host. Wait a minute, I know. Maybe Biff can do it. Have you seen it? No, I haven't seen it. Hey, Ty, have you? Okay. Biff!
No, you hang up first. No, I hung up first last time. You hang up
Hey,
first this
Biff,
time.
you guys ready? All right, then sit back. Don't touch that dial because we will be right back.
Previously on Sea Lion SI.
Well, Detective Blind, this looks like the work of the Barracuda, the most dangerous criminal in town. You and I need to search for evidence and find our suspect. I need you to stick close. Follow my each and every move. Let's go. Okay, Detective, that was an excellent search, but we didn't find anything. I don't. Okay, no hands. Blind, that's ridiculous. You're too much. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, look at that guy.
So, children, it was a wonderful show. Did you enjoy it or not? I enjoyed a lot. So, children, let me tell you a few facts about sea lions. Sea lions are marine animals, spending a good part of each day in the ocean to find their food. They like to eat fish, lots of fish, you know. Sea lions are not dangerous animals and they don't attack humans. They are very friendly animals. So, children, as you all know, that all good things come to an end. So, it's time for us also to end this show. So, now it's time to say thank you and goodbye to a wonderful guide, Dora, who helped us through this beautiful journey of zoo. Thank you so much for your guidance and support. You made this trip so memorable, Dora. Bye.
Thank you, children. It was fun to be with you all. You all have been so supportive and kind throughout this journey. Hope you all like this beautiful and amazing world of animals. Hope to see you soon. Have a fantastic journey ahead. Bye.
Okay. Now, children, it's activity time. Children, as you have seen, number of the animals in the zoo. So I have planned one task for you. There will be a show and tell activity on 10th January. Okay. So you have to dress up like an animal which you have seen in the zoo and you have to speak few lines on it. Okay, children? So children, let's take a flight and go back to Delhi airport. I wish we could stay there for a little more time, but now we have to go back and I have one more exciting trick for you. Now children, we landed Delhi airport. buses will take us back to a school premises
First things first, I'ma say all the ones.
where your parents are waiting to receive you. Bye, children. And thank you, everyone, for being so patient and supportive. Thank you very much.
The way that things have been, oh.